from one trader making over $500,000 for the day.
Yeah, this is the kid's college fund. He's gonna thank me later.
Dad, why don't I have any college money saved up?
To another nearly losing it all.
Oh, loading up, Chad.
These are the 5 wildest trades caught on live. Starting off with a familiar face, we got Diego Barrera as he stares down the NASDAQ.
How we doing today, man? We are back on the fresh.
He starts the morning without a bias, which is usually code for I'm about to fight the trend.
We're gonna just see how today goes. I don't really have a bias either way, like that I'm sold on.
He's eyeing those CPI highs, looking for a reason to go long with all of his 5 accounts.
I'm not really sure, like, again, I'm not the most confident to long where we are at right now, but the CPI high is very prominent and we have a lot of highs above. Might give it a stab here.
Order filled.
He's long. It's a classic breakout play, but the NASDAQ is a fickle beast.
That's a very brutal first trade.
Pretty quickly, we get the first stop out.
Stop filled.
A quick $200 haircut to each of his 5 accounts. He's looking at a $1,000 loss so far.
Not to just flip biases, but I actually
Order
do like
filled.
shorts now. If we get bully wicked both sides, then we'll have to definitely reevaluate, but
He was a bull 10 seconds ago, and now he's a bear. He's shorting into the bounce, chasing the move he just missed.
kind of need to go break even though because of that low. If we get another flush through it, probably miss my chance to go break even. Yeah, probably missed my chance to go break even here. Yeah, should have gone break even right away.
Order filled.
Yeah, missed my chance to go break even there, and then now again, not to flip again, but this looks like my setup here, so this is my last attempt here.
He's already down 2 trades, and he's back in for a 3rd attempt. Shorting again, you can hear the frustration in his voice as he's getting bully-wicked on both sides.
Order filled.
And if we get just really hammered here, then we're just going to be done for the day.
The market is essentially a blender right now, and Diego is sticking his hand right in the middle of it.
Dude, I just think I'm getting smoked on both sides here. This is bad.
Order filled.
Stop filled, that's 3 in a row, but now he's flipping back to long.
Sucks I took the second loss because I could have gone break even at those relative equal lows. Just part of trading. You're gonna take 3 losses. Maybe I could avoid the second one. Just stinks to start these new accounts down so much money. It really just stinks, bro.
Order filled.
Dude, I'm getting crushed. I'm getting crushed out here. I still am confident in the bias of higher now at this point. But we're getting crushed in the choppy market.
At this point, the technicals are out the window. He's trying to outguess a choppy market that really just doesn't have a direction yet.
Just gonna set this here in case something gets tweeted that would put us break even on the day. That's ridiculous, but gonna be just managing it to these highs if it gets up there. And just kind of see. I don't know what targets we have. Probably go break even above that high. Want a trail stop here, but it's been so choppy that I don't know. ES is just dumping lower.
He's starting to realize he's made some mistakes and should have stopped trading, but the itch to break even kept him going.
Doesn't look good here.
He's sitting in a deep drawdown, hoping for a miracle candle to save the day's P&L.
Stop filled.
Wow, 4 straight just huge L's, bro.
4th loss in a row.
Yeah, I mean, like, I feel you guys, but, like, I still stand by the fact that I don't think I've taken any terrible trades. Maybe I should have just stopped after the second loss, but this one here, maybe I should have had my stop at the low and I would have been break even. Should have gone break even at this one. I could have probably gotten away with 2 losses here. But just didn't trade optimally, I guess.
Diego is definitely taking a massive punch right now.
Order filled.
Keep in mind, Diego is actually trading with 5 different accounts, so his total losses are actually all these numbers added together.
Just feel it. I deserve it too. I didn't come into the day expecting to do this, even if I lost. I really did think I had it under control, but if obviously I don't. I really did think I had it. I really thought I had a better mind frame coming into the day. And everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the face. That's just how it is. I really felt confident that today would be a day I could just accept losses. But then you lose your first 2 trades and then just everything just hits you. And it sucks. I wish I wasn't this way. I still think this trade should go up, but it probably won't just because it just hasn't been all day. The price action's not good right now. I don't understand that close just to snap back down, dude. Like, where is the momentum forwards to those equal highs?
Stop filled.
You boys are gonna hate me, but I'm just going for it, dude.
And this right here is where Diego makes one of the most reckless revenge trades I've ever seen.
I don't know what's wrong with me. It's like, I guess, how can you even step away after you're down 1,500?
Order filled.
It really is no longer about the trade, it's kind of just survival at this point.
That's it.
Order filled.
And that's the final stop. Over $10,000 gone in minutes.
Oh, boys. All right, YouTube's done there.
It's a hard lesson in overtrading and bias flipping. Next, we're watching Angelo Perez tackle the NASDAQ. He's starting the session down $725, short 2 contracts, eyeing a move lower towards some sell-side liquidity.
Short right now on NASDAQ, 2 contracts. We're currently down $725 on the day. So this short should bring us back home.
You can see the chain, the neon sign on his wall, and most importantly, the peak wisdom he gives on TikTok.
You know, the risk to reward is a lot more, less of a risk, with the calculated reward.
He adds another 2 contracts, getting his total to being short 4 contracts.
Order filled.
Now we're in here. I just scaled 2 more contracts in there.
Order canceled.
We're in coupons on the 100K PA with Apex.
He's setting a very tight stop loss right above that recent order block. If the price moves past that, the trade is dead. But look at the price action. The bears are starting to take control.
Order submitted.
Stop loss is staying real tight above that order block right there. Currently up 1,000 right now. We're dropping real strong down here to the sell side level.
He's aiming for that zone at the bottom, looking for a full sweep of the sell side liquidity.
Still playing pretty hard right now, up 1,400. We should attack that sell side level very aggressively right here, guys. Up 1,600 right now.
He makes a smart move here though and scales out. He closes 3 of the 4 contracts to bank the majority of the profit.
Order filled.
You never want to turn a massive winner into a loser just because you got greedy.
I'm in here 1 contract now.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Bonds.
He leaves 1 runner to see if he can hit the final target, but the market starts to bounce.
Left in here 1 con running.
He gets stopped out on the last contract at break even.
Order filled.
Right there at break even, guys. Up.
Order canceled.
$1,000 trade right there. Fully out of the trade. We didn't take out that sell side level, but I'm fully out right there.
Total profit for the trade was roughly $1,000. He wiped out his daily loss and ended up in the green. Not bad for such a short trade. Next up, we have the richest trader we've ever covered, and he's actively throwing millions of dollars into the market.
Call up Zuck and grab 100 mil real quick.
But first, I've partnered with Mumu, and if you sign up and make a deposit, you'll instantly get free money and free stocks. You can deposit as little as $1 with the link in the description, and I will personally send you $20 from the referral bonus they give me, as long as you send a screenshot of your deposit to my email at gasfee20@gmail.com. It doesn't end there though, because if you have more than $1 ready to go, you can get all the way up to $1,000 in free Nvidia stock that you can sell right away if you really wanted to. Mumu also offers a limited time 8.1% APY, and their platform is honestly one of the best for new traders, even charging lower fees than a lot of others. They let you track what stocks top performers are holding, and once again, with the bonuses both Mumu and I are giving out, there's really no reason not to test it out. You can sign up and get the deposit done realistically in less than 5 minutes, so even if you deposited the lowest amount, you're still making some easy money. Click the link down below in the description and make your deposit if you're interested. I also respond to my emails really fast, so if you do it, I bet I'll get back to you in like 10 minutes or less. Alright, now let's jump back to Martin Shkreli. Martin is a known bear, and he makes that very clear starting the stream.
Look, man, I'm bearish, all right, man? Here, I'll buy some more stocks. There you go. I'll buy 100 shares of Eli Lilly. Are you happy now?
Order filled.
100 shares of Eli Lilly ain't what it used to be.
He buys 100 shares of Eli Lilly, which even that is kind of a joke when you look and see that he's shorting $9.5 million worth of stocks.
Ion Q, how do I make this hedge immaculate? These 25 calls might be just the ticket I need.
Order partially filled.
One thing you're going to see him doing a lot in this clip is buying calls and shorting the stock, which essentially acts as a synthetic put.
I've always loved you, son. I don't care what your trading returns are, or if they're better than Bill Ackman's.
In this stream, he's shorting a lot of IonQ, and right here, he's shorting even more LAES.
Adios,
Order partially filled.
amigos.
Order filled.
Early on in the day, he's already looking at a $250,000 profit, so he starts playing with his cat, Trashy.
Order filled.
Kitty, you playing with some paper towels? That's what you like? You like to play with that? Yeah, I love you too.
Then he takes a little break and hops on Twitter, and then, of course, goes back to regularly scheduled programming right after that.
Oh, what? Are you summoning the red dot monster? Is the red dot monster coming? What happened? Where is he? He's here! He's here! He's a red dot! He's a monster!
Trashy is not amused.
Yes, Trashy. There's a stupid kitty. I know. She thinks the red dot's alive.
Order partially filled.
He hops back on Twitter, but when he goes back on over to look at his trades for the day, he's not up as much as he was earlier. This is just a regular day for him though, so he just doubles down.
Shush, kitty.
Order partially filled.
Shush up.
Order filled.
Then he starts trimming his beard with scissors for some reason.
We were up 300K a second ago.
He goes back on Twitter, watches a Busta Rhymes video, and then explains the strategy he's using.
So the idea behind these hedges is that,
Order
I think
partially
you guys
filled.
understand it, but they sort of act as
Order
synthetic
filled.
puts. So when I buy these calls, I'm really hoping they all go to zero, but I have to get delta hedged. And putting on the delta hedge has slippage because Jane Street and 2 Sigma and Citadel are very good at this, and I'm not. I'm one guy clicking a button. It's not the same. And so they'll put on their delta
Order
hedge
partially
faster
filled.
and better than me. Now, on the
Order
flip
filled.
side, I have alpha. They don't.
Then he takes a break to acknowledge his sleeping cat, and then once again, for some reason, starts manually trimming each beard hair with scissors. Now back up to $150,000 in profit for the day, he of course shorts even more IonQ. Noticing that one of the stocks he's shorting is down 40%, he actually feels bad, so he goes to cover it.
40%. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. I feel bad. Should I cover? It's gone down so much. Should I cover it? Here, let me. How much should I cover? 5,000? Okay, let me check something real quick. Yeah, it's time to cover 5,000. I mean, this stock has gone down 40%. How could it go down any more?
Order filled.
Oh, I pressed short by accident.
Shkreli really is the Joker of the stock market.
Who would buy this chart? I'm not a chart guy, but who the would buy this? Who thinks this is bullish?
Once again up $300,000 for the day, he celebrates that he's up 1,000 with Lily and goes ahead and closes his only long position.
All right, we're up $1,000 on Lily. Should we sell it? Yeah, let's sell it. Our only long? Yeah, let's go. Sell it. And I made my quick 1,000, bro. It's over.
Now shorting $14 million worth of stocks, he decides to short even more IonQ.
All right, what do we want to short? We want to short more IonQ, right? Worthless. So worthless, it's not even funny. I also am short 9 million shares, $9 million worth. But I'm still short. I don't give a bruh. I don't give a bruh.
Then he starts playing the guitar, shorts some DJT, and goes ahead and gets some quick exercise in, it looks like.
I just shorted some DJT. What the hell's going on with this DJT, man? Getting smoked in this thing.
Order partially filled.
Why they're smoking me for?
Order filled.
A few minutes later, he starts doing this.
You shorted my stock, Shkreli. Now you die.
Oh, Mr. President, it wasn't really a personal thing, Mr. President.
Time to die. It's over. It's over.
He talks to Trashy,
That's your bet. Yeah.
shorts some more DJT, but shortly after that, the trading day is over.
All right, ding, ding, ding. I hope we made a good profit today. Hope you guys made some money.
Not bad at all. Next up, we got Patrick Weiland once again. Real quick though, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for good luck on your next trade. It really works, I'm telling you. Patrick starts the session feeling like he got gypped by the market. He's looking at an inverse head and shoulders pattern that played out perfectly without him. Now he's hunting for a way back in.
But like, what a joke, man. Like, what a joke. As soon as I walked away, what happened? Oh, it's such a joke, man. Right? We talked about the inverse head and shoulders. Look at that. the breakout. I mean, it's not rocket science.
It's non-farm payroll morning. This is when sane traders usually stay on the sidelines, but Patrick is looking to go all in.
This is kind of a tricky one, to be honest. Like, normally, you know, the market doesn't make a massive move overnight before the NFP numbers come out. So what do we think? Should we flip a coin? We're gonna find out. Where's the magic 8 ball at when you need it? I need to find the magic 8 ball. Where is the magic 8 ball? Where is it? I don't know where the magic 8 ball is.
He's debating a long position but isn't dead set on a certain direction, so of course he asks ChatGPT for help.
Oh, should we ask ChatGPT? Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's see what it says. Well, what the I'm just gonna go, I think I'm gonna go long.
Then he decides to go long and starts YOLOing with 14 different accounts.
I got 14 250K accounts, Apex accounts.
He's buying the dip right before the news drops, essentially standing in front of a freight train and hoping it reverses.
Maybe try to add into like a pullback before this news comes out, and then we sell to the moon. I don't know. This is a total gamble. Don't follow me. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh yeah. I'm just kind of loading up into this pullback here. We got the VWAP down there at the 750s. So 30 seconds till this news comes out. We're looking for a pop to the upside. It might not work. I asked ChatGPT and ChatGPT said to get long. So, oh, it's either gonna make it or break it, baby.
The numbers are out and the NASDAQ starts doing its best impression of a heart monitor on caffeine.
Looking for the moon. Looking for the moon. Oh. Oh.
He's getting stopped out on some accounts while others are deep in the red.
Oh. Loading up, Chad. It's gonna bounce.
This is the make it or break it moment, and it's honestly not looking good.
What happened? Some of my accounts are still active. Oh my God. I got stopped out on one account, I think. NASDAQ. The shorts have won. Dude, what happened?
Suddenly, we get a magical green candle.
We're right there at the VWAP now. Trying to see if we get a little bit of a pushback up here. You know, YOLO in the Rolo.
The NASDAQ moons, and Patrick is looking at a lot of profit.
I want 100,000. This is what it's like to make $100,000, boys. Oh, 200,000. We locked it in.
He goes from a catastrophic morning to a $200,000 gain in seconds.
What a wild ride. You gotta love NFP, baby. Look at that thing. Don't say I didn't tell you so. All right, I said, hey, we're buy the dip, boys. Buy the dip. Buy the dip.
He's not leaving a single dollar on the table and makes one more trade.
Oh, we're hitting the top there. I'm just gonna load up and get a little pop up here. Get a little pop up. Get a little pop up. Oh yeah, there we go. And that's how you do it, boys and girls. That's how you do it, boys and girls. Oh.
From ChatGPT advice to a $250,000 swing, that's honestly just a standard Friday for Patrick. Next, we're watching TJR navigate some high-stakes volatility.
So on ES, we broke structure to the upside, but on NASDAQ, we didn't.
He's comparing the S&P 500 futures against the NASDAQ. ES broke structure to the upside while NQ stayed stagnant. This is a classic SMT divergence.
I need to have some sort of reasoning why this would want to go lower is the equal lows.
Yeah.
So I was willing to put a little risk on with that, but right now it's not looking too hot for me. We've been playing within the same range for...
TJR is looking for a reason to go lower, eyeing those equal lows for liquidity. But right now, the price is just grinding sideways.
ES looks bullish as right now. NASDAQ still looks bearish, so price really hasn't figured itself out.
Yeah.
When price starts going sideways, you don't know where the price is going to go.
Then he starts talking about his three-point shot back in high school, and honestly, I'm not buying it, but whatever.
Like, bro, in high school, we would shoot 53s like in practice, and it was like 10 shots like around the world, 10 shots from the corner, 10 shots from the wing, 10 shots up top, 10 shots from the wing, 10 shots from the corner. Bro, me and my boy, it was like we would always make 40 or more of those, so we would miss less than 10 shots out of those 53s. It was like it was consistent. If we missed over 10 shots during a practice, it was like, damn, bro, what's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Price is on guys.
Currently, he's in a short on NQ.
This is the trade that I'm in right now.
He's got his stop loss tucked just above those recent highs, hoping for a breakdown.
I don't know where the this is gonna go because right now it's just going sideways. NASDAQ looks bearish, ES looks bullish, so we gotta figure it out.
The chat is roasting him for being down 80k, but TJR keeps it real.
This dude says he's minus 80k. I am minus 80k.
He points out he's actually down over $112,000 on the day after a first failed trade.
I'm minus a lot more than that. I'm minus 112k on the day because I lost my first trade, and I'm still in this one. This is my second trade. Right now, it looks like I am going to get stopped out.
When the market is on BS like this, the smartest move is often to stay flat, but TJR is already in the trenches. He needs a break of the range to even think about breaking even for the day.
Still, price is still on.
Finally, ES starts slipping and TJR is calling for the dump.
Holy maybe we're actually going to get some motion now. Let's see if we can grab these lows. If ES can start taking out these lows, it's over. And we can actually start dumping. Go!
It looks like the bearish SMT is finally paying off. And disaster.
Oh my. And that is it for the day. Oh!
A massive reversal candle wipes out the entire move in seconds.
Holy equal highs, what the
TJR is stunned as he realizes he's closing the day down roughly $200,000.
How much are you down? Pretty much 200k, bro.
Always remember, the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent.
These past 2 weeks were ugly.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the video on screen for more crazy trades.